My name's Rocio Santibanez. I'm a Yuen Method instructor, and I want to share that this year, 2023, my goal is for as many people as possible to discover this amazing tool, the Yuen Method, and transform their lives just as I've transformed mine. All you need to do is visit my channel, Rocio Santibanez Yuen Method, and pick one of over 400 strengthening exercises on various topics. You'll observe your body and may feel some energetic manifestations. Some people experience chills, dizziness, or a tingling sensation, while others feel nothing at all. However, I guarantee a change in your thinking, feelings, and actions. This will undoubtedly bring about a transformation in your life. I invite you to join me every Wednesday and Friday for live strengthening sessions. We do this because we believe we can and should improve ourselves every single day. If the Yuen Method speaks to you, find me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube as Rocio Santibanez Yuen Method. It'll be my honor to share this tool with you. I'll be waiting for you.